Before you invest in Beaver Builder for your landing page needs, there are some key points to consider that might help you decide if it's the right fit, especially when compared to other popular landing page builders. First, Beaver Builder offers a great drag and drop editor that's intuitive and easy to use. If you're familiar with WordPress, you'll feel right at home, since it integrates seamlessly with it. But the downside? It's not as beginner friendly as some competitors like Elementor, which might be a better choice if you're just starting out. Next thing, Beaver Builder is known for its solid performance and speed. It doesn't bloat your website with unnecessary code, keeping load times down. However, while it's optimized well, some users find that other builders like Thrive Architect offer even more speed optimization features right out of the box. The third thing, Beaver Builder gives you a wide range of design flexibility with its theme builder and customizable modules. You can build almost anything, but it doesn't have the same variety of pre-designed templates that some competitors like Lead Pages offer. If you need templates to jumpstart your projects, you might prefer a builder with more ready-to-use designs. The fourth thing, unlike some other builders, Beaver Builder doesn't include any pop-up or opt-in form features in its free version. This could be a deal breaker if you're planning on building lead generation pages, especially when competitors like Instapage include these features without extra cost. Next, Beaver Builder's pricing is on the higher end compared to some other options. While it offers a solid feature set, builders like Elementor offer free versions with many essential tools included, which can be a big draw for those just getting started on a budget. The sixth thing to note is that Beaver Builder doesn't come with an integrated CRM or email marketing system. For that, you'll have to integrate third-party tools, which could add to your monthly costs. This might not be a big deal if you're already using other services, but it's something to consider if you want an all-in-one solution. Moving on, Beaver Builder is built primarily for WordPress, meaning it doesn't offer standalone landing page creation if you're not using WordPress. This makes it less versatile than other builders like Unbounce, which works outside of just one platform. The eighth thing to keep in mind is Beaver Builder's customer support. It's solid and responsive, but it doesn't offer 24/7 support like some competitors, such as Wix or Shopify, which might be crucial if you run a business and need immediate help. Next, Beaver Builder is great if you're focused on high customization and don't mind digging into settings. However, if you're looking for a more hands-off experience, you might find that builders like ClickFunnels are more streamlined for quick, sales-focused funnels without much configuration. The 10th thing is scalability. Beaver Builder works great for small to medium-sized websites, but if you plan on scaling up to a large, complex site, you might want to look into a platform like Elementor Pro or Thrive Architect, which offer more advanced tools and integrations to support larger projects. The 11th thing, Beaver Builder's lifetime plan is a great deal for those who want long-term access without worrying about annual renewals. But if you're not sure about a lifetime commitment, you may prefer monthly subscription models from competitors like Unbounce or Lead Pages, which give you more flexibility. The last thing to consider is that Beaver Builder lacks some of the marketing-focused features of other builders, like A/B testing or analytics tracking. If you need built-in tools for optimizing your campaigns, other platforms like Instapage and Unbounce may serve you better. So, is Beaver Builder a good option? Absolutely. It's a solid choice for WordPress users looking for flexibility and control, but it might not be the best if you need specific marketing tools, speed optimization, or an easy start. If you're looking for a better all-in-one solution, check out our recommended landing page builder that you can try for free.